Getting started with AccuCampus Part 1. As soon as you open AccuCampus, you're going to see a menu in the left, a search area in the top with another small menu in your profile section, and a working area right in the middle. Let's configure AccuCampus by clicking Advanced Options, Settings, General. In this screen, you can set your logo by clicking Upload Logo. You can set your session timeout, your time zone. If you are trying to set a license agreement, this is the text box to do that. By checking this first option, all users must accept the license agreement upon first logging. These four options are for users to be allowed to change their names, their email address, their postal address, and their phone numbers. If you are going to allow any of this to happen, just check mark the option and then click Save. Now let's create the semester's information by clicking Advanced Options, Settings, Semesters. Right here, you have all the semesters that you have configured in AccuCampus. If you want to create a new one, just click Create New, put a name, such as Summer 2020, pick a start date and end date, and click Save. Just like this. In this semester screen, you can set the days off for Spring 2020. Let's click Days Off in the right. There are some suggestions right here. Or you can add new and remove some of these, depending on your setting. Just pick a date, give it a name, and that is going to be set as days off for that semester. Now let's configure some logging appearance settings by clicking Advanced Options, Settings, Logging Appearance. Here you can set the account title, the name of your institution, some text that's going to show when the user logs in, your email domain, and your background. You can select from Shuffle Image, Simple Image, and Custom. Then click Save. Now let's talk about user roles. Each user within AccuCampus has at least one role. The user's role determines which feature the user has access to. In order to reach the user roles module, just click on Advanced Options, Setting, User Roles. As you can see, there are 3 roles as a default in AccuCampus: administrators, staff members, and students. You can customize one of these roles or you can add a new one by clicking Create Role. Just put a title, a description. Now you have to select the Access to View roles, if it's going to be able to view any of these other roles, like administrator, staff member, or student. The Access to Edit roles, if it's going to be able to edit the same way as an administrator, staff member, or a student. You can select from Features Policy, which are packs of actions that the new role can access to. Or you can select from Actions Policy. There are 337 actions that you can select. Just go through each one of them. You can select from the pack. Let's say from this general, you can select both of them by selecting the pack right here, or you can show each of the options and select one or several of them as you want. Now let's talk about role mappings. In this same account setting user roles, you have a tab right here named Role Mappings. These options help us understand what each role can or cannot be associated to. This doesn't change access permissions to the users, but allows an administrator to associate different features with the different kinds of users. For example, users that visit location, attend courses or classes, and you can select which role is going to be associated with those users that visit location, attend courses, and or classes. In this case, I select the students and administrators. Now here, what users can be registered as professor and instructors of a class. Select, in this case I select a staff member. Users available as staff. Select, I did for my staff members. Users that attend to appointments, those are usually the students, but you can select as you want. Staff available for appointments, if you have a special group, or you can select your staff members as you want. And appointment administrators. In my case, I only selected administrators, but you can have another role that is going to deal with appointments, and you can select it from the list. In this first video, we went through how to set the logo, the time zone, the license agreement, the user profile settings, the semesters, the login appearance, and the user roles. See you next time. Thank you for watching. Bye.